Meaning of henceforth.
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 Henceforth. Henceforth means from this point forward or from now on. It is often used in legal or formal language to indicate a new or changed situation that will continue into the future. For example, if a company announces that henceforth, all employees must wear a certain uniform, it means that starting today and in the future, the new dress code policy will be enforced. Similarly, if a government declares that henceforth, a new law will be in place, it indicates that the law will be applicable from this moment onward and will continue to be implemented in the future.